people who are considering buying a home simply for the tax benefits that they think they'll receive from deducting their mortgage payments. No, but taxes are just one expense to consider when buying a home. Certainly not the reason to actually do it. I'm Elise Glink. Here's today's Daily Update. To make a fair comparison between owning and renting, you have to always do the math. And for the math challenged, feel free to let TurboTax or McIntax or some other sort of tax program do the heavy lifting. First, copy your tax information from last year to a new file. In that new file, you have to add in what you would expect to pay in real estate taxes and what you would pay in the interest on your loan. Not the total mortgage amount, just the loan, the interest on the loan. Now compare what you paid in taxes last year with what you would have paid or what you would be paying had you owned a home. Okay, you're not done yet. To make a really fair comparison, you need to factor in the cost of owning a home versus the cost to rent a similar home. And when you rent, you generally pay your utility expenses, renter's insurance, and the rent itself. When you own, you'll have the same utility expenses, and you'll have maintenance expenses, real estate taxes, homeowner's insurance, and interest on your loan. And if you happen to be owning a condo, there's also condo fees. Now, don't forget there are expenses associated with the purchase and sale of property, including title and escrow company charges, lender fees, transfer taxes, municipal expenses, the commission you'll pay to the broker, and others. And a lot of these are just one-time fees, but they certainly will add to the overall cost of buying and selling your property. Only once that you've assembled all this information will you truly be able to make a fair comparison between what it costs you to live in your rental and what it would cost you to purchase a home. One place you might want to spend a little time is at the New York Times website, where they have a pretty decent technology tool, I don't even know what you want to call it, calculator maybe, that will help you examine most of the costs between owning and renting. I'm Elise Glink. If you have a question about buying real estate, you should send it to me at questions@thinklink.com. You could also send it via Twitter @Glink. Thanks for watching. See you next time.